And I just
Hose for life.
Hose. You can't live with hose. Or without hose. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Kovatata, and here I am in the mule because I wanted to take it out for a little spin and give you guys a little update of what you're gonna see. Now in this video I try to take more footage of what I'm gonna do, which is change the power steering pump on the G, but like in good fashion I forgot my tripod. Yes. See, this is what the problem is. I think this hose is like severely cracked. I don't know if you guys can see that. And here too, especially here. This was the upper part. This is definitely cracked. This is the lower part. Definitely cracked. So yeah, I think this is our culprit for the malfunctioning power steering.
Okay, so here we are. We already took out the fan, the intake, the cover, the intake cover, and a whole bunch of crap that had to be taken out. As you can see by my hands, I've done most of the work. He's just here looking. I told him just go in there, just dirty your hands a little bit, so people think you did something. I should own the damn channel. Anyways, so we just put in the new compressor. No, it's not a compressor, it's a power steering pump. We just put in the new pump, and we're about to test it out. If it explodes, it didn't work. If it didn't, it worked. And we're hungry, so we might have to take a little McDonald's break. So here it is, almost done. It's been like 3-4 hours since we started. It's a little update.
Okay, so what you're about to hear and see is the final product of me changing the belts and the power steering pump. Hi, Louie. Dale. Dale. Okay, so we replaced the, like he said. This is the new power steering pump. You can see we have a lot of leakage there. The entire rubber hose was bad. Now, if I would have ordered it, I would have not gotten the hose. But because I went to the junkyard, it came with the hose. And then I just
Hose for life.
Hose. You can't live with hose. Or without hose. So now we just have to put everything back. We got one more belt to change, which is on the AC compressor belt. That is messed up. And basically, just fired it up. Okay, so that it was not doing that before. Now the car is actually shutting off. There are a few possibilities that could make this happen. Now, before I took the belt off, the belts were fine. It wasn't squeaking, so I know I did something wrong. Either I under tighten it, which is a great possibility because I didn't have no ramp, no jack, no nothing, or two, I over tighten it, trying to compensate, for the lack of view and proper equipment. Or three, the power steering pump wheel had a little bit of rust, and I also forgot my soft wire brush, so I could clean that off. And I couldn't really take like all the rust out. So I'm thinking that it's slipping because of the rust also. That is just my opinion. I didn't have time at the end because it was getting really dark to to work on it, and I didn't have the equipment to work on it fast, so I just left it like that. If you guys could give me some advice or what you think is the problem with the belts, just leave the comments down in the description below, and I will surely take a look at the G the next time I can and take your advice into consideration. So I appreciate your help. This is Matata. See you next time.